This Apple Watch Series 444mm came to us with a booting problem. This watch would either get stuck on the Apple logo or fail to start properly. These symptoms can be caused by several hardware faults, so a proper diagnosis is always the first step before replacing any parts. After a complete inspection, we found that the battery was no longer supplying stable power. A failing battery can often prevent an Apple Watch from booting correctly, causing repeated restarts or leaving it stuck on the Apple logo. Once the fault was confirmed, we carefully opened the watch. Apple Watches are one of the most delicate devices to repair because the display is securely bonded to the housing, and every internal component is extremely compact. Opening the watch requires patience, precision, and the correct tools to avoid accidental damage. We treat every device with the utmost care from the moment it arrives in our store. During the repair process, we don't just replace the faulty part, we also inspect the entire device for any signs of wear, corrosion, previous repair attempts, or hidden damage that could affect its performance later. Our goal is to return every device in the best possible working condition, ensuring all major functions operate exactly as they should. For Apple Watch repairs, we use high-quality replacement batteries and original Apple Watch screens whenever a screen replacement is required. Using quality parts helps maintain the reliability, performance, and longevity of the device. Most Apple Watch battery replacements are completed on the same day, allowing customers to get their devices back as quickly as possible without compromising the quality of the repair. For additional peace of mind, all of our Apple Watch battery replacements include a 6-month warranty, while screen replacements are backed by a 4-month warranty. After the repair is completed, our work doesn't stop there. Every Apple Watch goes through a comprehensive testing process. We verify charging, boot performance, touch response, display quality, buttons, sensors, wireless connectivity, and overall functionality. The watch is then kept under observation for several hours to ensure it remains stable and that no additional issues appear before it is returned to the customer. We believe a successful repair isn't just about replacing a part, it's about delivering a device that performs reliably and gives our customers complete confidence. If your Apple Watch is stuck on the Apple logo, not turning on, or experiencing battery problems, our experienced technicians are here to help. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like this video. Subscribe to our channel and follow Erepair N Spares for more real repair videos, expert tips,